Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? It's a really shock news for all of you. The danger move is coming now. So let's be sure, my brothers, the prediction. Let me show my friend the technical analysis. Now we also share opinion, my brother, in this video. So kindly must watch this video because one second of this video is very important now for all of you. My brother, congratulations, Chainlink holder. To this time, you can see here the last 7 days, the last 24 hours, the last 1 hour, all change occur will be positive now. So I'm so happy. I'm so excited to see this. And let me show my brother this time the link last 24-hour chart. I hope, my brother, you better understand now. You can see here this time if I predicate this coin, so exactly everybody know this. To my friend, my prediction is completely gone be right, because therefore my friend 10,000 I think 11,000 my friend people trust on ABS6 channel. So that's mean to our prediction is going to be right now. So let's predicate this coin, my brother. I simply predicate this coin live now. So you can see, my brother, especially the moves of Chainlink is completely showing, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances. Yes, my brother, I understand to upcoming time there is a more chances that they will move upward. You just see, my friend, the arrows, absolutely the arrows direction to if they're moving upward, so you go now and buy it. But if they fails down like this point, so go now and sell it. So holders, one thing I want to tell you, my brothers, so the good move is coming because this is the start of month, and you can see, my friend, this coin is in the positive. So I hope, my friend, at the mid of month every cryptocurrency will change occur positive now. So I hope they will give you a very good profit at the mid of month. So Chainlink holder, what are you doing? Please, if you hold it to the end of month, I hope, my brothers, the price will be increased now. And this is the latest operator. You can see, my friend, the price is 18.36 USD dollar, and the change occurred in the last 24 hour 1.25%, my friend, in the last 24 hour. So it's a really great news. I hope you like it. The good move is coming soon. Please, the price will be increasing in upcoming time. So I think if you have any plan to invest more, so buy it, hold it, and wait for a good time. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.